What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making sun-dried tomato and feta stuffed chicken breast. So, cheers and let's cook. I got my oven preheating to 400 degrees. I'm going to start with our filling. That is going to be 3 ounces of feta cheese, 2 ounces of mozzarella, 2 ounces of minced sun-dried tomatoes, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now I'm just going to mix that all together. Next, we're going to put some pockets into our chicken for our stuffing. I'm going to make a slit here and keep it at about 1 inch to 1.5 inches long. And then I'm just going to work my knife around that chicken breast on the inside, making sure I don't go through the other side, all the way down. That will give you a nice pocket for your filling. Just like so. We got those pockets in there. Just gonna open that up. Start stuffing that with our filling. Just pushing it down to the bottom. Try to fill that up throughout the entire chicken breast. Got those chicken breasts stuffed, so now I'm just going to take a toothpick and seal up that hole, weaving it right through, weaving it through this chicken breast. Close that up. Next up, I got half a cup of flour on a plate. Just going to season that with a little salt and a little pepper. We'll mix that in. Now I'm going to dredge both my chicken breasts in that flour. Our oven just came to temp. It's good timing, because we are ready to head to the stove. Over at the stove, I got a pan heating up. To that, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to give that oil a second to heat up. Our oil is getting nice and hot, so I'm going to go in my chicken breasts, the bottom down. I want the bottom down because I'm going to flip these guys and then put them in the oven. And the top's going to be our presentation side, and they will get nicely browned in the oven. So we're just going to give the bottom a minute to brown up. It has been just about a minute. We got some nice golden brown on the edges here. We're going to flip those. Now I'm going to go into the oven. But before I do, I'm going to insert oven thermometer into the center of one of the breasts, and that is set for 165 degrees. And we're going to go in the oven until we reach that temp. Just pop those out, and we are browned very nicely on both sides. I'm going to transfer that to a plate with some paper towels and just let those rest for a minute. Then we're going to slice them up and see what we got. Guys, we got some delicious stuffed chicken breasts here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.